Hello and welcome to day 13 of learning Python from chatgpt. So let's get started. Okay, please give me lesson 13 of day 13 of learning Python with you as my private private tutor. With you as my private, following the curriculum that you set. Python learning. So I'll do please do this in coherence with the previous lessons. There we go. It should finally actually do it correctly this time. Magic methods and operator overloading. Okay. So today's lesson will cover magic methods and operator overloading in Python. Magic methods are special methods that start and end with double underscores. They allow you how to find objects built in Python operations. You understand basically magic methods and how to use overloading operators. Okay, so magic methods, also known as dunder methods, or double underscore methods. Oh, okay, dunder. Special methods predefined in Python that you can override to customize the behavior of your class instances with built-in functions and operators. String representation of the object. What? Okay, so initializes an object. Yeah, especially in constructor. Repr an official provides. Okay, gonna need some clarification on the differences of these. Okay, just operator overloading. Okay, pretty simple. Defines behavior of the learning function. Okay. So, maybe. So if you call str bracket and then the object, it does that. So yeah, what is the difference between them? I'm just gonna implement them as the same. Oh, okay. So it's a different function. Okay. Repr. Okay, so operating overloaded allows you to define how operators behave with objects of your class. Okay. So many. Sub, multitrudive, quality, and less than. Okay, pretty simple. Sample code, yep, we're just going to do that. Okay, let's get started on the first instance. Okay, at least it's following this correct schedule. So, new Python file, day 13, unlucky number. Okay. So, define a class called rectangle. So, the class rectangle height equals 0, width equals 0. If meant the string method. So we do def underscore. Oops. Okay, so it seems like in all the member functions you pass in itself. At least for the done or whatever they were called, the double underscore. Okay, so we will return f. No, the f string. I like the f string. It's a bit like sub format in C++. So we'll do. How do you do like? Let me see. How do you do like? Oh, I just use brackets actually. I was wondering how you just do the what are they called? curly parens without actually like putting in the variable, but you can just do it like this. So then width, comma, height. Self dot. Okay, and we'll do def underscore wrapper, and then let's copy this. Because what's the difference between a string and just an official string? I don't know, but anyway. Wait. Okay, now next. Okay, so we've done that. Let's go on to the next ones. So now let's add the. So def underscore add, was it? Yeah. Other. Return rect. What do we just do? Return width plus width. No, self dot width plus other dot width, comma self dot height plus other dot height. So like that. What's this? Like line. Okay, I'm just gonna make it so that def underscore init self p underscore width p underscore height. There we go. So we'll do self dot width equals p underscore width. We'll do self dot height equals p underscore height. And then yeah, that should work like that. That should be good. But how did chatgpt do it? Yeah, it did have a constructor. Okay. So now let's do the was it mul? Yeah. Multiply. Other return rectangle. I'm just gonna copy paste. But to be honest, I quite like the Python object model, like with all the passing itself and stuff. And it's pretty easy, to be honest. And inheritance, like, yeah, that's passing around. Okay, yeah, that's that. Now the next one. Equality and less than. So do def eq, and we'll have the other one. So return of the same area. So we do return width, no, self dot width times self dot height is equal to other dot width times other dot height. So it should equate to a formula expression. Okay. So def ot areas less than others. To be honest, I think instead of like mul, ep, and lt, they should have just done like, because you can easily differentiate between them if they got double underscore. Like surely they've got, what's it called? They've got like precedent, operator precedence, or whatever it's called, like over other things. So less than or equal to. There we go. That should be good. Now I'm just going to ask it, what is the difference between... Okay, I'll just read this first. So today's lesson covered magic methods, operator overloading, customized behavior of objects with both functions and operators. Practice these concepts with assignments. Great job. See you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for the lesson. Here. No, I just have one question. What is the difference between underscore stir and what's the other one? Like wrapper. And here is my solution to the assignment. I want to do some Pygame dev in a bit, like not too distant future. Okay, great question. Let's clarify the difference between string and wrapper. It provides a nice and informal string representation. What? What? In usage invoked by the string. Okay, so it's implicit, is it? Ah, okay. So it's just wrapper you use for like detailed. I'll just add that. So notes stir basically for a brief summary of the class implicit version. Actually, it's actually a pretty good design feature though. And then we have underscore wrapper. So it is a more detailed summary. Requires the wrapper function to be called on. Okay. Reviewing your assignment. Looks solved. There are a few more. Okay. Okay, anyway. I'll do that. So I'll do width equals height equals all these test cases. Test cases made by chatgpt. We'll do rect1 equals rect. No, why do we need it? No, I only need one. Oh, okay, so we do need two. Rect2 equals rectangle. Oh yeah, and of course we need to pass in the parameters, so I do 10, 15, 35. Let me just get rid of these ones. So overall, I think OOP in Python is pretty cool. It's obviously not as like powerful as C++, like with all the I'm not sure. Well, I haven't done much into OOP, but like there's inheritance, so it is pretty good. But, okay, there we go. Commit this, and so overall, like in the past, like since the start of this series, like my view of Python has much increased. Like it's really powerful. It's got a lot of like library features and language features. Yeah, so that will be the end of today's video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.